Hey, what's up? It's Ben. So today I'm going to show you how to buy stock with Webull on your phone. I'm a total beginner at this. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before buying anything. But if you want to follow me and watch me how I make money or lose money on the stock market for the sake of your entertainment, I invite you to subscribe. It's totally free since it's a low budget production. And by the way, if you haven't already done so, make sure to install Webull on your phone and get your 2 free stocks. One of them could be valued up to $1,400. If you use the link below, it'll help you and I pay for groceries this month. If not, it's okay. I'll just starve. Now, the stock that I'm going to buy is going to be at&t, and the reason why for it is because I just think that it's a good company. It's considered a dividend aristocrat company, meaning that it's been paying its dividend for the past 25 years and also increasing in it. And I just don't see why not. It's not a good company. Plus, its dividend payout is over 6%. And this is going to be long term. I'm not going to sell it anytime soon unless they cut their dividends, and I'll start reconsidering everything about at&t. So first things first, let's go on your app and go on your account. And you remember how I got the SAN stock for like $3? Right now it's at $2 and something. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sell that for you guys so you know how a sell is like. So first things first, it's $2.16 right now. I'm gonna just go ahead and just sell that because I don't want that anymore. So this is one. Okay, hit sell, and then there's all of that, and then confirm. Okay, let's go with that again and confirm again. Okay, so it sold at $2.16. So let me just check if it went back. Let's go here. Let's back it out again. Yeah, unsettled cash. $2.14 actually. Okay, it's whatever. Now let's go on and collect the stock that I had earlier. Go to my free stocks. And then hit get. Oh, see? $12.57. It's from VIAC. Don't know what that is, but okay, I shall keep it. So when you deposit your money in there, you get like $12, anything from $12 to $1,400. So right now, let's go ahead and buy 2 shares of at&t because I just think that it's a good company and it pays you dividend consistently. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit trade. And then instead of limit order, meaning that you buy at the price that you want it to buy. Say right now it's $31.28, right? Let's say you just want to buy at $31. You put $31 and that's the price that you're going to get it at. So right now it's constantly fluctuating. So I'm just going to hit market and buy 2 shares. And the day time in force means that it's just good for the end of the day or GTC, which means that good till cancel. I'm gonna just hit day and then go ahead and buy 2 shares of that. So it gives you all that, and then I'm gonna just hit confirm. Yeah, so I bought it at, let's see, $31 I think, and 20 something cents I think. Let me go back here. So there you go. I just bought 2 shares of at&t just like that. You might be thinking, how am I going to be wealthy just buying 2 shares of at&t? You're right. Come back when I'm 200 years old. No, I'm kidding. But consistently investing is what's going to help you grow faster in the future. Your initial small investment is going to pay out big time in the future, hopefully by retirement. And don't spend your profits elsewhere. Just reinvest it back into the market or real estate, whatever you want. So that's it for today. If you like this, make sure to like and subscribe so you can watch me age and make money. And I'll catch you all next time.